So for vaccines, they'll actually inject you with pathogens that are attenuated, so they're weak, or they'll inject you with dead ones. So you're literally paying them to inject you with viruses.
Yeah.
The weak ones or the dead ones will trigger this whole process, and ultimately you might get a little sick. You might get a little bit feverish. Your body will feel the effects of fighting against the pathogens. But ultimately what you're trying to shoot for is that the memory B cells will remember that pathogen. Every time the memory B cell has like, okay, this is the Tdap virus, we'll remember the polio one forever. Whenever this one's about to die off and it makes copies of itself, it will pass that information on. They don't live, cells can't live for like, actually, most cells can't live for your entire life. So when they die though, they can pass on the
Are there
information.
any cells that do, like brain cells? Don't they live forever?
They live for a long time, but technically they don't live the entire time because they develop as you are young. So you guys have heard of like HIV. HIV is really bad. HIV won't kill you. It'll let other things kill you. What HIV does is it hijacks the T cells. If you don't have any T cells, you're gonna have problems if you have a cold. If you have a cold, this won't be enough to save you. So if your T cell count is too low, you could die from like a simple cold. Okay. Do you have a question?
Yeah, so I read about like this lady way back then, she had cancer, so she went to a doctor and he examined what kind of cancer she had, and he found out like her cells, she was what's it called, immortal, something like that. And so then they used her cells to make the vaccines that we use today, or something like that.
Is this real?
Immune.
Yeah, I was thinking you meant immortal.
Are you talking